In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a star rating system in Notion. This handy feature is perfect for keeping track of everything from book reviews to the importance of daily tasks. If you've been looking to add more personalization and functionality to your Notion pages, this guide will set you on the right path. Let's begin with choosing the table you want to work with. This will be your starting point for adding the star rating feature. The table is foundational because it organizes your data neatly and allows you to manipulate and visualize it in various ways. Now that you have your table selected, what we want to do next is add a property. Properties in Notion act as categories for your data that you can customize according to your needs. For the star rating system, we'll be adding a select type property. Setting up a select property is an excellent choice because it allows for multiple options you can designate, like the different star levels you want to assign. So go ahead and add the property by choosing the option that enables you to select multiple items. This is crucial because it will serve as the basis for your star rating options, giving you the flexibility to assign anywhere from 1 to 5 stars, or even more depending on your specific requirements. With your property added, it's time for some customization. Click on Edit Property to fine-tune it for your purpose. Here, you'll be able to specify the exact options or categories you want to include. These will eventually be your stars. Naming them as simple numeric values corresponding to their star level, like 1 star, 2 stars, and so forth, can make the system intuitive and neat. Now comes an exciting part, leveraging Notion's AI capabilities to enrich your experience further. You can prompt the AI by asking it to add a star rating. This will bring up dynamic options that can enhance your star rating system, depending on your needs and how you intend to use it. The AI might provide suggestions or help automate certain customizations, making your task even more streamlined. Throughout this process, ensure that each step resonates with the star rating context you're aiming for. If it's for books, for instance, your ratings might reflect criteria such as enjoyability, complexity, or however you want it personalized. And there you have it, a fully functional star rating system within your Notion table. This addition not only makes your data visually engaging, but also infuses your workspace with a layer of interactivity and usability. Whether you're managing projects, reviews, or personal tasks, this tool becomes a dynamic part of your workflow. Keep exploring how you can expand and refine it further. Thanks for joining me today, and happy organizing in Notion.